Hi, thanks for watching this short video. As you can see, this is a MK8 Fiesta. This one's the ST line, but all the lights appear to be the same on all the models. On this particular model, my daytime running light has failed on the lower half of it. As you can see on the driver's side, and on the passenger side, it should look like this, where the daytime running light goes all the way around the headlight. And of course, with the daytime running light section having failed, that also means that the side light or parking light has also failed. Now, the only tools you'll need for this job is a flat-headed screwdriver and some torque bits. I'll show you on the video which ones you'll need. Just please bear in mind, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a driving instructor, so please bear with me on this one. I am filming one-handed, so I might have to move the camera around a little bit to swap hands, so just bear with me throughout the video. Now you can see there's just two screws holding the headlight in, and again I'll show you on the video the torque bit that we need for that, and the flat-headed screwdriver if you haven't got a torque bit, and it's just got one connection that you need to unplug from the main headlight. You can see there's the first one. This is at the front of the car. We just need to unscrew that one, take that one away, and then the one next to it is actually a plastic holder, plastic fix, and you just need to get the flat-headed screwdriver, just pop the middle part out, and that will just come out easily if you just pull that one upwards. As you can see there, it's shaped, so when you put it back in again, just remember to get the shapes in the right place, and then just get your screwdriver underneath this one, and it will just pop out. And then it just pushes straight back in again when you come back to reinstall the headlight. With most of the headlight bulbs needing to be replaced eventually, obviously you'll need to get familiar with taking the headlight out and putting it back in again, because it's much easier to change the bulbs that way. And you see there, we're just removing that one final screw, and then we'll unplug the electrical connection. With the electrical connection, it's just a block connector, and you just have to squeeze and at the same time just pull that away from the connector, and that should just pop out nice and easily. Although I'm making it look more difficult than it really is. I just have to swap hands because I am left-handed. So once I swap to my left hand and just swap the camera around, I'll find it easier anyway. So it is pretty easy. It just needs to be using the correct hand for it, I guess. There we go. That's come off nice and easily now, as you can see there. With the headlight removal, start at the top and pull to the right hand side and upwards slightly, and that disengages that little plug that fits into the bracket on the wing just there. Now the light unit itself, as you can see there, it's just got 3 screws holding that in, and all you need to do is unscrew those 3 screws. It has got a rubber seal that keeps it in, and there's 2 thin wires, so be careful when you're pulling out, you don't pull out too hard and snap those wires. Now you can see it's just that one block connector, so if you just squeeze that, it will come off the circuit board nice and easily. So you can see on the circuit board itself is the part number starting with ST. So if you make a note of that one, that's the one that I had to use to find this next part. I actually had to buy this from Breaker's Yard from eBay, and it came off basically a brand new Ford Vignale, and but I couldn't get one from the main dealer in time. So, and it's very difficult to get through to the main dealer anyway. Trying to get parts out of them is ridiculous. This particular part cost me around £45, and as I say, it is virtually brand new, came off a virtually brand new car. But it's just searching for them online really, to find where you can get a decent one from. I'm not going to bore you with putting all this back together again. It's just screwing screws back together and reinstalling the headlight in the opposite way to what you took it out. And there you go, you can see that's working again perfectly normally. Hope it's going to last more than 3 years than it did this time really. Hope you found that short video useful, and if you've got any tips or comments, I'd love to hear them. And thanks for watching.